Hello and welcome to another MCO market update on Coinbase. Yeah, the Coinbase chart is still potentially in a fourth wave correction, so I want to share with you here the potentials that I'm tracking on this chart. It's still the whole pattern still allows for one more high in a fifth wave to potentially $420 plus to the 138% extension. I see the move up from the January 2023 low as a potential 5-wave move up in development, as a diagonal pattern where we completed wave 1 already, wave 2, wave 3, and the fourth wave could have bottomed, and the fifth wave could have topped. But the wave structures allow for that interpretation, but the Fibonacci extensions indicate it would look better with one more high. Okay, so that would be an alternative that we say a substantial top is in. I mean, that's absolutely possible, right? Then we would have 5 waves up and we're moving down in something like an A wave, B wave up, C wave down. All right, that would be a long-term downtrend, and then maybe it can find some support around $50-$60 or so. Maybe even a bit lower. But the preferred interpretation is that, we completed waves 1, 2, 3. The wave 4 never finished. It was an A wave. An overshooting B wave topped in December 2024. It reached the 123.6 Fibonacci extension at $350, and we could now be in a C wave down. The decline could turn into 5 waves, but that would be a C wave in wave 4, and then we could get another high in wave 5. Now, the wave count, at least the Fibonacci targets, they seem to be measured correctly. So I do have some confidence in this wave count. Obviously, until we get a confirmed low, the local trend is down. But you see how that rally in November 24 reached perfectly, really perfectly, the 123.6 extension. And one more high could take it then to $420 plus. So still watching for one more high. Should we go down a little bit lower, which appears likely, the $119 level would be the next support level. It's the 61.8 retracement, $119. Definitely an important level to watch, and something we should definitely pay attention to if there is another low below the April low. If we zoom in a little bit, we go to the 4-hour time frame. Then we can see that the market formed so far a 3-wave move down into the April low. For me, that's only 3 waves, and one more low seems likely in a 5th wave of wave C of 4. So the preferred interpretation is that we form this 4th wave now, and then get one more low in wave 5. However, if there is a 5-wave move up above resistance, then it would indicate a low has already formed. I mean, I think we're quite close, but this correction has been quite protracted, definitely testing our patience. It makes a lot of people worry, and absolutely, I mean, the trend is still down. The price already had the opportunity to turn around before it failed, and, we could say maybe the low is already in, but the rally from the recent low appears corrective in nature. It's a 3-wave move up so far, and that means this 4th wave might have topped already, but that would be my alternative interpretation. I would assume a wider wave 4 is more likely, possibly with a target of $196, maybe even $214. And then, once we get that, first of all, if we get one more low, I think we have a really good reward to risk ratio. Or if we break in 5 waves above $214, that would also be an indication a low has formed. That means we get 5 waves up somehow. I don't see that yet. And then a 3-wave pullback could be a jump off point, could be used as a jump off point for higher prices. That's the update on Coinbase. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you're interested in additional updates about certain stocks, but also daily updates about the S&P 500 as well as the Nasdaq, check out the Stocks and S&P 500 service. You'll find the link in the description. I've also pinned it in the comment section. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.